Good morning students. Today we are going to see the topic Newton disk and the synthesis of color. First we will see the Newton disk. So the Newton disk, this can be explained through the Vibgyor colors. So for example, if you see the CD, if you turn back one side you will be seeing many colors. So if you rotate means you will be seeing only the plain colors. If you stop rotating means we can observe more colors. Then soap powders, if you mix in the water and if you leave the bubbles means you can see many of the colors. So why dangerous light in the vehicles, that is in the red color means because the red color is scattered by the least air molecules. Then red color will be having a highest wavelength of the other, comparing to the other colors. The red color only having the highest wavelength, so that only it is fixed in the traffic signals. Then in the backside of the vehicles also they fixed the red colors. So the red color that it can be able to travel in the longest distance. So through in the air fog also it can be seen, that color only we can see it brightly. So likewise the Newton disk. So the Newton, he suggested the process of mixing the different colors to make a white color by setting an arrangement, that is a CD. This experiment you all did in the science exhibition also. So likewise the disc is a cardboard disc with the seven equal colors we have to take it. Any 7 colors you have to take it. So in that sector that it should be red, yellow, then orange, green, blue, indigo. So these colors that indicates the Vibgyor. So when the disc is turned quickly, the retina receives the sensation of the spectrum. So simultaneously the disc it will be appears white. If it rotates speedily, we will see only able to see the white color. If its speed is reduced only, we can able to see some other colors. So next we can see the synthesis of colors. So synthesis of colors is nothing but a method of creating a color by mixing various proportions of 2 or 3 distinct colors of light. For if you have color pencils, in that you may not have a single color, pink color or something. So if you want pink color, if you mix 2 or 3 colors means you can get the that pink color alone. So here we have to mix so equal proportions of 2 primary colors, that it will be create a secondary color. So magenta, cyan and yellow, that is called as a secondary color. So if you want a magenta color, you have to mix the red and blue. If you mix the red and blue means you can get a magenta color. Then blue and green if you mix means you can get a cyan color. Then green and red means you can get a yellow color. So equal proportions of all 3 colors. 3 colors if you mix means you can get a white color. What are the 3 colors means? Red, blue and green. So if you mix these colors, you can get a white color. So these are the topics today with Son. Thank you students.